Okay, so this is how I started to make commissions with affiliate marketing without a following. When I started doing affiliate marketing, I didn't have a following to sell products. So this is going to be a full tutorial on how I did it. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, let me explain you that quickly. It's basically recommending a product to other people, the content we upload in our social media channels. There are many affiliate programs we can join to recommend products, and they will give you a special link. So let's go to Google and find some niches we can use to promote products. Let's go to Google and write affiliate marketing niches. So we're going to scroll down and you can see on the screen affiliate marketing niches for exercise, education, home decor, pets, technology. So we're going to use for this video the niche for pets. The next step is to go to Google Trends and write dog training. We're going to choose United States for the past day and YouTube search because we want to know what people are searching on YouTube about this keyword. And in the related queries, you can find dog training methods, best dog training color, positive reinforcements, dog training, attack dog training tips. And what we can do here is that we can choose any of these keywords and then go to YouTube and do a research. I'm going to choose these keywords, dog training methods. I'm going to go to YouTube and write dog training methods. And you can see these videos to get some ideas for your own YouTube channel about this niche. This keyword has 2,900 searches per month. So that means that people are searching this keyword on YouTube. And check this out, this one has a breakout. So that means that if you put this keyword in your title and in the description and in the tags, you're going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share that video with more people. And then what we can do here is that we can record a video for every of these keywords: dog training shot, dog training aggressive behavior, dog training trips, and so on and so forth. Here we have all these keywords that we can utilize to record more videos about this niche. Once you have uploaded your video, it's important to put your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube video. And for that, we're going to go to clickbank.com and search for a product to promote. So let's write dog training. And as you can see on the screen here, we have some results, brain training for dogs. So this product pays $47. And to promote this, you need to click here on promote. Then here in affiliate link, you need to choose your affiliate nickname for ClickBank. Then click on continue. Then scroll down, and this is my affiliate link. And if anyone buys that product from any of these links, I can make a commission. And check this out, guys, this channel is promoting their own dog training courses, and if I scroll down, he's also an Amazon affiliate. Here we have an Amazon link, and if I click this link and buy any product from this link, this person is going to earn a commission. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.